guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be styling my little curly fro in a wash and go. New cut. My hair is already washed and detangled, and I have in my leave-in, which is the Kinky Curly Not Today. This is my favorite conditioner. I will link my original wash and go video using this product. And we're going to be using the Don't Shrink gel for our gel. I think I have a video up already. This is pretty thick gel and it smells so good. It smells good. It smells like candy, flour. It smells really good. It smells like the leave-in conditioner of the Aunt Jackie's. If you've ever tried that, it smells exactly the same. So we're gonna start off by splitting my hair. It's already detangled. Be gentle. And for this wash and go, I'm just going to be using the raking method. So I take a little bit of gel, I put it on my hair, and then I just rake it into my curls. This is just like my quick wash and go routine, as you can see. And if you guys are OGs, then you know the back of my hair, like when I first went natural, if you guys have been following me that long, the back of my hair, it shrinks the most. So I try not to put too much, like you see how much that shrinks. It shrinks the most. So I try not to brush it too much back here, but I just want to make sure my hair is detangled so that I could have elongation and longevity in my wash and go. So we're gonna get going with this. See that? So okay, I'm back. My hair is completely dry. Mine is right here. Let me just scoot down a little bit so you guys can see everything. You can see I have a little bit of shape now. When I originally cut my hair, it was kind of funky. And also you guys can see how much the back shrinks up. It shrinks so much, literally. But I like this little cute little cut. I'm gonna enjoy this short hair. Yeah, give you guys a spin around. With the Don't Shrink gel, you get just a tiny bit of a cast, but it's a decent cast. It's not like crazy hard. I don't think this elongates my curls. Like, I don't see any difference. My hair actually shrunk. If you guys see when it's wet, it just shrunk up. This is a pretty good gel too. It's pretty natural, and like my favorite part of this gel is it smells so good. And I can probably get one more wash and go out of this, of course with this short hair. But yeah, this is the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I don't think it elongates your hair, but it does moisturize it. Like, my hair doesn't feel dried out. I absolutely love it. I love the definition that it gave me. And I don't think I'm going to stretch my hair. Like, I might just like do this, fluff it out over the days, but I'm not gonna fluff it out. I'm just gonna enjoy this little haircut. You guys, like, my curls look so good. Let me stop touching it though. I touch it too much. But I let it air dry. I was outside the whole time, so it dried a little quicker than usual. Typically my hair dries all day long, but I went out and it's kind of hot and windy, so it dried. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.